Welcome back to my channel on this rainy day. Yeah, it's totally rainy and it's quiet, sort of, besides my cats, of course. Um, but on my live yesterday, I mentioned that I got a new planner and I was just waiting for it. Excuse the cats, they're crazy. I was just waiting for it to arrive, and I didn't expect it until this weekend. That's why I went ahead and did the live. I set up an A5 planner, um, which I love. I'm really enjoying using along with my Pocket, but Pocket is like my main planner right now. It's my go-to. So I purchased this. Shouldn't have, but did, because I really don't have the money for this kind of stuff. But it was the end of the year, and I was like, you know what, this is my gift to myself for the end of the year, making it through in the school system. And I also wanted to try different planners. I've been a Gillio girl through and through for a couple years now, and I'd hate to say it, I'm not bored with Gillio. I love Gillio, but I'm bored with Gillio. Like, I want to try some different things, and I'm in my Maldens, which are always great. But I love leather products, like real leather products, but they are so expensive and not everyone can afford them. So I wanted to find one that I liked. I do not like Motrin, unfortunately. I just don't think the leather is as good. So I wanted to find something that's for people that are like that are more into like vegan leathers and whatnot. And I saw Aura Estelle's Pocket Cloud and I fell in love with it, but I wouldn't buy it because it wasn't leather, because I'm a leather snob, right? Um, but I decided finally, after watching videos and like going into Pocket and needing a pocket with bigger rings, I decided to go for it. So, wow, her box. I have not seen this yet. I'm literally just opening it, as you saw. I love her box. Why is this so pretty? Why is this? It's light pink, kind of like that purplish pink that her planner. Remember the hybrid planner, that the gray, that like pinkish interior. I used to have it, the A6, but yeah, this is hers. Nice. I love her card. Oh, the bag is so pretty. It's silky, you guys. I'm sure y'all have seen unboxings of this. I was a little unsure if I wanted to do an unboxing because there are quite a few and not enough like people actually using them that I saw anyway. But this baggie is everything. I'm probably gonna use this bag. Oh, look at the bow. Ah, so good. I'm so excited. I don't know what to do. It came early. It's from Canada and I'm in Louisiana, so it actually got here quite a few days earlier. There was no problems at all with customs and stuff, so I was very fortunate. Ugh, sorry about this. Okay, anyway. I'm so excited. It's pretty lightweight, and I love that. It feels kind of like leather, kind of. It's plastically leather, but it feels soft. I got a neutral tone, of course. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god, it's adorable. I'm so glad I got this. I'm so happy. You guys, it's so cute. Look how cute it is in my hands. And it actually does look like leather. I'm kind of a weirdo when it comes to fake leathers. Like, I'm like, no, there's no way this would even look like it. I mean, that is so cute. I got the gray, of course, the with the silver, and I I don't expect it to lay flat. I noticed no one's really did, just the way it's made. But this is cute. I bought it directly from the site, so I could check for imperfections. But the rings look good. And the pockets look nice. They have a really nice interior. I love this. The reason why, besides the fact that it's super cute, the reason why I went for this planner was because I'm using my Pocket at the pool and all year round. Or I mean, sorry. As a wallet, my bad. So I wanted something that was a little easier as a wallet, and it does have the big back pocket, and it has a zipper here, which makes it easy, and the card slots at the top. And it's kind of like a thick material, but it's so cute, and I love it. Of course, I like to put mine on the last loop, or last button, to close it a little bit better. I have top tabs, so it wouldn't really matter, but let's compare to my... I mean, it's gonna be a little wider just because of the flap, but it's the exact same size as like my other pocket. It's just I personally don't think it's as cute with the side. I don't think the edges are cute at all. But that's just the difference in not having a leather planner, I think. Just this material welded this way. I'm sure they heated it and then pressed it. But to me, I will always love my leather planners a little more. But this one's too cute and has bigger rings. So let's move into it, shall we? And this does, if you're not familiar, it does hold like a strap that you can wear around your body, which I could actually rock, but I decided not to get it because I probably wouldn't actually rock it. So I'm almost weird about coming out of this one because I really do love my leather, but let's just do it because I spent $70 on this sucker. Now granted, that's much cheaper than, like, you know, it's way more cheaper than a leather planner for sure. Now you can always go on trade and sell groups, you guys. I don't know if y'all are familiar with those. Let me move some of this telling information. You can buy a lot of like little Maldens and really nice leather planners for really good prices on like trade and sell groups on Facebook. That's where I usually get all my stuff. But it was hard to find a cloud planner, to be honest. And but that's literally, I get most of my leather planners from there. The only time I buy them directly is when I just can't find it and absolutely need it, which has not been the case for any of these for quite some time. I don't think I've bought a single Giulio off the site. I haven't bought a single Foxy Fix or Giulio off the site. I've bought one kikki.K off the site. I literally, looking at all my planners, they were all bought secondhand except for my Hallburn. Nope, that was secondhand. Except for this one and this one. So everything else secondhand. Alright, so I'm moving stuff. I've got to be careful because I have very sensitive information in here. I got all my swimmer stuff. I love that I have more room in my rings, like, oh, because I really wanted to add some more, like, I wanted to add a little bit more to my planning style in my pocket. I mean, this little Malden can hold a lot because even though it has smaller rings than this guy, it's still, you know, it just won't tear or bend my pages like it normally does. So, because it's bigger, a little wider. That looks so good. This looks so good in there. I may need to print out some more because that's what I've been using for that style for my A6 and stuff, and for my A5. Okay, I'm sure this looks good, so I'm going to keep it. Now I thought about doing a different kind of vibe for this, and I think I still will, but I'm just putting it all together to see how it looks together. Nice. It is pretty full still. Alright, in this pocket I have my drink cards. I've got my June, July CPI training. Okay, and then I've got my Post-its, which are going to change in color. I've got this little guy that I guess I don't necessarily need. There's not really a place to put it back here. There is a pocket here, which is nice. I like that. But, and then I've got my ID and stuff in a card holder like this. But I think I'm going to switch out the card holder too to match. I have one that will look cute. You're going to get photo bombed, kitty bombed. Got some cash. Make sure I got everything. Oh, got my business cards. Oh, got some more Post-its. Stop. My cat's in the way. Sorry, y'all. And not the sexy kind. The meow meow kind. Alright, let's move that to the side. And then I don't think this... Alright, I gotta let you down, buddy. Mwah! I love you. He snuggled with me this morning. I was having back pains, and I guess he knew, and he snuggled with me to the point where he got me to sleep, which was nice, because I really wasn't sleeping well at all. Okay. So I like the vibe of this dashboard. I don't know, I just do. It looks great. And put my money back here. Wow, that's a deep pocket. Nice. And then I'm switching up these into the purple and gray ones, but I can stick that into my other... I planned for this a little bit. Drink cards and these. I think I'm going to stick them back here. No, that's where I want to put my ID, I think. I don't know, I may put it somewhere else. Okay. And then I love these sticky notes. They came from Amazon, but they're my favorite. I use them all the time. And they have a pretty big stack too. You get a pretty large stack. Like, I'm taking off quite a few. The gray ones. Yeah, if you can't tell, I'm going to be pairing this with purple items. But I just have to and I love this. I like the words that stick out. Like, I love the writing, I guess you could say. And then this just fits the pocket size, so, but let me just put that to the side. And then I've got, what I'm going to do is, I've got to get used to this new setup, if that makes sense. Like, because these pockets are a little different than what I'm used to. Okay, couple business cards. You can fit. And what's interesting is this won't slide. I think it's because of the type of material. It's roomy. It's just the type. I'm gonna tell you this now. If I end up just not loving this though, like, I think it's super cute and I'm liking it. But if I end up just not loving it, I will be selling this. So just keep that in mind. Now, I wanted to buy a pen to go with this planner so badly, but I didn't, because it's just kind of pointless. During the summer, I always use a Friction, so. It does have a fairly large pen loop, so it will accommodate larger pens, but I just clip mine. Ta-da! Isn't it cute, though? Isn't that a precious looking planner, though? I love this. I really love this, this feature here of the cloud flap. That's just so cute, right? And I really like that it fits nicely even with my pen. Granted, I don't have side tabs. I think if you had side tabs, you would definitely need to use this one, the end one, this last tab snap. It gives a little more room for all that. But I personally like a tighter fit, so I'm gonna use this button closure. Isn't it cute though? Oh, it's pretty cute. It feels pretty good in the hands. It's not the same as my leather planner, I'm gonna be honest. I knew better, but it is really cute, so I'm gonna use this for the summer maybe. Isn't it precious? So I'm going to end up playing around with this a little bit. You guys have seen my pocket planner. I definitely use it quite a bit. I've been using this one. You can tell. I don't know how I'm going to put my charm on there. I think I always like to have my charm with me. Oh, just so you know, I did move into a smaller purse as well. Let me go ahead and put this up with my Malden stash. I have a Malden family over here. I moved into, y'all seen this one, my purple satchel. So, this will go perfectly. It's just so cute. Everything is going to look so cute together. Like, everything. So I will do a planner update, a planner bag update with you guys with this planner and keep you informed on how it goes. But yeah, that's basically what this video was going to be. It was just unboxing this and then just moving my stuff over to see what it looked like and see if it's worth keeping, which to me, I think it is. One, it is pretty expensive. Like, I mean, it's not expensive, but I mean, it is. I don't know what I'm trying to say. It's expensive enough to give it a fair shot. And I think that they did do a great job in creating and designing this planner. I need to decide if I really want to put my charm there. I heard that people have talked about putting charms here, but I haven't seen anyone actually put their charm there. Does that make sense? Like, I haven't seen anyone actually do it, so I'm going to give it a shot. I just don't think it's going to fold nicely in that case, unless you have it hanging out like this. Yeah, it'll close better with it hanging out like that. There you go. So yeah, I think it's really cute. It feels really good in the hands, you guys. I really love the size of this. I knew when I saw this that I would fall in love with like how it looked. The first feature was just how it looked in the people's hands. Like, it just feels really good. And the fact that I work around water, this is a better option for me than my leather planners. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope that you joined for the next ones to come, especially my lives. I enjoy my lives a lot. A lot of people do. Thanks for the support, you guys. And until next time, I'll see you around. Bye.